Guys, unboxing tayo from Amazon. Binili ko sa Amazon, siyempre. Pabango siya. I used this one before and it's been a long time already that I did not buy again. Super bango niya. Kaso, hindi ko nakabili rin. I like the packaging. Look. Ooh. Okay. So let's open. Alright. Okay. Alright. See. Ta-da! Oh. To be honest, the empty one, I keep it because it's very nice. Look. Huh? See? Nice, right? That's all, guys. Thank you for watching.